Hello, and welcome to day 4 of our Summer Bridge Activities Workbook for grades 4 to 5. So we are on day 4, page 9. I went ahead and drew the polygon pattern, and I tried to emulate theirs. I tried to copy theirs. So hopefully you got the same thing there. Rewrite this address correctly. Okay, even if we don't know how to write out an address, we know that there should be capital letters for someone's name and a city. So let's rewrite the address. Mr. because we want it to get to him, so we put the name first. Mr. Greg Jones. And then the address is 1461 Condor Street. That's kind of funny because a condor is a bird. And we can just abbreviate street, and it's going to be Lake Tona, comma, Ohio. And so when we write states, we write them as 2 capital letters. And then the zip code goes over to the right. It's 98562. Fitness flash, do arm circles for 30 seconds. Well, that'll be fun. Let's do that at the end, though, so we can keep working. Read the passage, then answer the questions. Astronomers. Astronomer is a study of planets, stars, and the universe. The first astronomers were ancient people who observed star patterns called constellations. That's a new word. Constellations. They gave them names such as the Great Bear. Today, astronomers seek to learn about the universe. They use powerful telescopes to see stars and to measure their distance from Earth and the speed at which they are moving. Astronomers interpret data collected by satellites and spacecrafts. By using readings from different instruments, astronomers can predict when objects such as comets and meteors will appear in the night sky. Sometimes astronomers discover new things in outer space. Halley's Comet, which can be seen every 76 years, was named after Edmund Halley, the astronomer who predicted that the comet would return in 1758. The names of modern astronomical discoveries must be approved by the International Astronomical Union, a professional organization for astronomers. So let's go to our questions. Number 1, what is the main idea of this passage? Astronomers look at constellations of stars. Astronomers study objects in outer space. Some astronomers discover new comets. What's the main idea? I think the one that sums it up the best is B, because astronomers do study objects. This is very specific, and so is C. So the main idea is what covers all of it. So what is astronomy? Let's go back to the passage. Astronomy is the study of planets, stars, and the universe. That was easy, right? So we're going to write it here. Astronomy is the study of planets, stars, and the universe. Why do astronomers use telescopes? We know what telescopes are. It says here they use powerful telescopes to see stars and to measure their distance from Earth and the speed at which they're moving. So, to measure, well, to see stars and measure their distance from Earth and the speed at which they move. So to see and to measure. What do astronomers try to predict using different instruments? Right there. By using readings from different instruments, astronomers can predict when objects such as comets and meteors will appear in the night sky. So what do? They use it to predict when objects such as comets and meteors will appear in the night sky. Last one. This is a second-hand account about what astronomers do. How would a first-hand account written by an astronomer be different? Which would you rather read and why? So instead of saying that astronomers study, they would say, I am an astronomer and I study planets stars and the universe. Now, which one would you rather read and why? Let me know what your thoughts are. Have the best day. Appreciate you.